Hello friends, welcome to CodeMeta channel. Today we will talk about full forms, where we will look into full form of MBBS. In the full form of MBBS, I will cover number of things which is important for you to know about that. First here we will look number of categories MBBS cover. Which category is covered by MBBS? Now categories. First is Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery. What is the full form of MBBS? Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery. It is a first full form of MBBS, and this is used for medical education degree where person who want to be a doctor uh, in some specific um, designation, or you can say especially specialty want to on some uh, surgery procedure. The second one is molecular biology and biotechnology science. It is a second form of full form of MBBS and basically used for integrated genetics, gen technologies, cell biologies, molecular biologies, microbiologies, biochemistry, biotechnology, and bioinformatics things covered by in this area. The third full form of MBBS is Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery. In this category, people have to complete 5 to 6 year graduation degree course program, and this category belongs to neck, brain, heart, or other specialist surgery things where people uh, want to be a specialist in one section. Like, suppose someone likes stomach surgery, then he or she can go with them, or heart, then he or she can go with them, like this. The fourth category which will come in MBBS is managed broadband services, which is basically related to network companies or IT sectors. Okay, these categories come in full form of MBBS. Now, we will talk about main category, which is Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery. This category is basically used in MBBS full form, and mostly people used and know this name only for MBBS. In this section, what type of subcategories will come? Number of people doing MBBS, and some people want to know which category or which sections or which surgery will come in MBBS. Then peoples have to know about departments which is related to MBBS. So student or person can look into those department and decide with which category he want to go or complete their degree. Now see, uh, first is BAMS. BAMS full form is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. It is a first category, subcategory of MBBS. The second one is Bachelor of Physiotherapy, BPT. Third one is BHMS, means Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. Next one is BUMS. It is Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery. Next one is BVSC, means Bachelor of veterinary science. Next one is Bachelor of Neurotherapy and Yoga. Here you will get lot of short names or full form of things, different things or abbreviations. You will get BAMS, BPT, BHMS, BPT, BHMS, BUMS, BVSC. A full form of all things. Okay, which is related to MBBS. Now we will talk about career opportunities. What career opportunities include in MBBS? It is cardiologist, gynecologist, जिसे gynecologist भी कहते हैं, gynecologist in different language, physician, pathologist, general surgeon, professor, neurologist, medicine doctor, and endocrinologist. In these categories, a student or candidate can apply or look into career opportunities. Now on the screen you will get number of MBBS job profiles. It is 26 job profiles. You can stop the video and see all job profiles name, where you will see best jobs which is related to MBBS, and mostly peoples are doing that. If you see, this is physician, physiologist, bacteriologist, ENT specialist, and more. All is 26 opportunities. Okay. Hope friends you will get all things about MBBS. Now we will talk about CodeMeta channel. What you will get here? You will get web development tutorials like React, PHP, MongoDB, React.js graphs, SQL, full form, GK questions and answers, news, which I will give you time to time for your knowledge, and your ask questions, answers of your question which you asked in comment and feedback box. And last one is child education tips. What you will do with child and what type of education you have to give your child to learn best things. N- Subscribe to Code Meta channel on YouTube or Telegram. If you have any question or feedback for me, write in comment box. I will get back to you on the same. If you have any questions which you want to ask on email, then use email ID. Thank you for your time. See you in next video. Meanwhile, you can like and share and subscribe this video to engage me.